I'm Tim, and I'm with Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air. And there's nothing worse than when it gets hot and your home just isn't getting cool enough. Well, we have some of the best air conditioning repair technicians in the Sacramento area. They are equipped with all the skills and qualifications to maintain, diagnose, and correct your cooling problems. No matter what brand or type, our trained professionals can keep you cool when it gets hot. If you'd like more information on service and repair for your air conditioner, visit our website at crystalblueplumbing.com or call us at 916-577-5020. And remember, we really do care.